Right here I have this umbrella and base. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look at what it looked like when we got it and how we set it up. We got both the 9-foot patio umbrella as well as the patio umbrella base. Here's everything that comes inside the boxes besides the user manual. To assemble, first thing is to insert this pole into the base and secure it down at the bottom. The next thing I did is insert the umbrella pole into the base pole and fasten that down. And finally, I twisted the two umbrella poles together. I really love that the hand crank is nice and easy to turn, so opening and closing the umbrella is no problem. This umbrella does have a tilt feature where you can easily change the direction from the press of a button. The aluminum ribs are lightweight and stable to wind resistance up to 30 miles per hour. Overall, I really love how this looks on my patio, and I'm excited to have this nice shade in the hot weather.